So what is the best app to send photos from Android to the iPhone? Let me explain it and give you my take on this. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. And if you ask me, by far the best app for this purpose is an app called Send Anywhere. And I mentioned this app a few times on my channel. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but it is an app which, if I come back to it, which is available on both the Android as well as on iPhone. So you can look it up on all of the devices, even on the web version, right? So you can see I have it on my iPhone and I also have it on my Android. And if I want to share files or photos from Android to the iPhone, the best way, as I say, is through this app. But once you have it installed on both devices, I'm actually going to go to my gallery where I have all of my photos stored. Let me just select an image like this one, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on share, and from the available options I'm gonna pick the Send Anywhere app. If you don't see it, you can go all the way to the end and click on more, and now it should definitely be part of this list. So just click on the Send Anywhere, and it's gonna come up with this like QR code and a number code. And now on the iPhone, I'm gonna do the same thing where I just open up the Send Anywhere app, click on receive at the bottom, and type in the key, right? So I just type in 721708 and click on receive, and now the connection is going to be established. It's not like the quickest way ever to move photos, but it's actually very reliable. And after a while, it's gonna like load up, and you can see the progress in there, 0%, but in a while it's gonna send it very quickly. Obviously, the only downside is that we get some ads, but it's a free service, a free app, so I don't really complain about anything, right? It just works well, even though it's a bit of a slower thing to do, right? As you can see, I got a couple of ads, but it usually works fine, right? So if you close like the ads on the iPhone and everything, and on the Android too, let me just wait a little bit, right? I'm gonna be able to show it to you that this photo is in fact saved on the other device. So you can see the one which I shared from the Android now appears on the iPhone, and it just works well. So yeah, that's the app I would recommend you to use if you want to send photos over from Android to iPhone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads as well.